Brother Ajit, I never knew what it felt like to have a brother. But you took care of me as my own brother. Thank you for that. I know who would have taken care of me other than you.
Enough! You can seek my blessings from there only. My blessings are always with you. Go peacefully. And don't ever come back.
Aunt Kadambari, you have always been a mother to me. I truly regret that I couldn't take much care of my mom.
Stop shedding tears, Pumpkin. Your daughter-in-law is here.
Stay happy.
Sister Damini, if I made any mistake unknowingly, or if I have hurt you, then please forgive me.
Are you done? Now just leave from here. And don't you ever come back,
Mohan, you take care of yourself. Eat on time and take your medicines too.
What are you doing?
Don't stop me today, Mohan. I considered you my God. I never imagined I would fall in love with you. I'm taking your memories with me because I am not destined to be with you.
You just step out of the house. You will know what destiny has in store for you, Radha.
Lord Krishna, I am feeling restless. Radha shouldn't leave this house.
You are being so emotional as if you will never return.
She will not return, Mohan. Please don't let her go. Please.
I hope what Gungun said does not turn out to be true.
Mohan, listen. Please don't let
Gungun.
Radha go.
Gungun, come here. Come to me.
Radha.
Don't worry, Radha. We will take care of Gungun. Come on, my dear. Come on, come on.
Okay.
Grandma?
Yes, dear. She will come back, okay?
Dad, Grandma, give me a minute. I'll be right back.
Gungun.
Damini, you first tell me, did you make Guruma do some puja?
No, Mom.
Then, did you make huge donations?
No.
Then how is it that God listened to my prayers? Oh my! That wretch who had been here for such a long time and was not in a mood to leave the house, then how is it that she is ready to leave the house, huh?
She's not a wretch, Mom. She's stupid. And I am evil. She knows she can't win against me, Mom.
Did you see how she was crying? I have a feeling that she will never come back here.
It is good if she does not return. And if she returns, I will make sure she leaves this world.
That is true, my dear. No matter what you say. But her tears were real. Didn't you see how she was crying out?
After all, her heart is broken.
Exactly.
If she tries to get what she isn't worthy, this is bound to happen.
But my dear Damini, had you listened to me earlier, then things wouldn't have gone this far. I always told you this, that she wanted to woo Mohan. She loves Mohan. But you never listened to me.
Mom, I knew she hailed from a village and was stupid and ignorant. So I thought I should not waste my time on her. That's why I said nothing. But when she started to act smart and when she impressed each member of the family, then I got irritated. I am evil. Until someone troubles me, I attack no one. When I decide to attack, then I make sure the other person loses definitely.
You will win for sure. As soon as she leaves, Mohan will be yours.
I can't wait any longer, Mom. I feel I have been waiting for this moment for ages. When Mohan puts vermilion on my forehead, I will rest easy.
Lord Krishna, I am leaving now.
No, Radha. How can you leave Mohan, your love, and go away from here?
I do not want to go, Lord Krishna, but sometimes you have to break the relationships that are too sweet.
No, Radha. You don't have to break your relationship with Mohan and leave this house. Just tell Mohan what you feel, what is there in your heart.
How do I tell Mohan what I feel for him, Lord Krishna? How can I tell him? Sister Damini loves Mohan with heart and soul. Now even Mohan has agreed to marry Sister Damini. Then who am I to come in between them?
Radha, you are not coming between them. Instead, Damini is coming between you and Mohan.
Why are you going, Radha? Everyone will here miss you. Mom, Gungun, and me too.
Gungun, don't cry, dear. Don't cry so much. Look, you are a good girl, right? Now don't
Grandma,
cry.
stop, Radha. Don't let her go. You are not stopping her. Now even Mohan is not not stopping her.
She has to leave, dear. Her aunt is not keeping well.
If she leaves once, she'll never return back. Please stop
She
her.
will return, dear. She will return. Don't cry, my dear.
Radha will not return, Grandma.
Oh, okay, come here. Come on. Look, Gungun, there are a few people who come into our lives for a short span of time. Perhaps they are meant to teach us something. They might want to give something to us. Now look at yourself. Before Radha came into your life, you were so different. You used to be so angry all the time. You were never polite to anyone. You didn't even go to the temple. Look at you now. You have changed so much, dear. Perhaps Radha came into your life to teach these things to you. Let Radha go, dear, all right? She has her own life, my dear.
Grandma, Radha says that Lord Krishna never does anything for no reason. There is definitely a reason for everything he does. So, Lord Krishna must have brought Radha into my life for a reason. Are we making a huge mistake by letting Radha go? Perhaps Lord Krishna wants Radha to stay here?
Yes, dear, but for now, we have to let her go. Please
You
understand.
will not understand my point.
Oh, my Lord Krishna, what do I do?
This little Gungun will ruin my whole plan. Now she's preaching others.
Whatever Gungun is saying might be right. It is possible that Lord Krishna himself wants that Radha should be Gungun's mother. And maybe by sending Radha away, we are snatching Gungun's mother from her. Oh Lord Krishna, what do I do? This is enough. Now I won't listen to Damini and sacrifice my child's happiness. I will go and tell Mohan right now to go with Radha. He can check on Radha's aunt and bring Radha back with him. That's enough.
Radha was our last hope to call off Mohan and Damini's wedding. But now even she is leaving. What do we do?
I think the matter is something else.
What?
Didn't you see? Radha was going to leave yesterday, but Mohan didn't let her go.
So what?
Suddenly we get that letter, and Mohan does not stop Radha from leaving. Strange, right?
But Radha's aunt is unwell. So what can Mohan do about it?
Ketki, I think you don't see it. This matter is getting serious.
Rahul, I'm scared about one thing. The way Radha is behaving as if she will never return to this house. Then it is impossible to call off Mohan and Damini's wedding.
All that is fine, Ketki. But did you notice our mother, the great Kadambari Devi, isn't she acting a little strange? She's always having these secret chats with Damini. It seems that she is getting some instructions from Damini, and she is acting accordingly.
You are right, Mother. Perhaps Lord Krishna wants Radha to stay here. Now, how can I change Radha's fate, no? Yes, one thing is for sure. I can change my fate, no? If I am not destined to be with Mohan, then I don't want to live. I will do one thing. I will die. Then you can stop Radha and get her married to Mohan.
No, don't do that, Damini. Please, please don't do this. What are you doing? Damini? Damini, what are you doing? What is this? Show me. What have you done? Come here. Vomit. Come on. Come here. Take it out. You. Come on. Take it out. Come on. What stupidity is this? What nonsense is this, Damini? What were you doing? Why are you doing all this?
Mother, you don't want Radha to leave from here.
I will let her go. I will allow it. I will throw her out of this house. I will throw her.
Promise me.
I promise you. I promise you. Don't do this. Please don't do it. Please don't do this.
Are you sure?
I promise you. I assure you that I will send her away. I promise you. Please don't do this. Don't do this. Please don't do this.
You know, I don't know about others' fate. But you are destined to have me as your daughter-in-law.
Look, Radha, please don't ruin your life for someone else. At least think once about Gungun. She can't live without you.
Gungun is a kid. I know she has got attached to me. But as she grows up, she will meet new people and like them. At that time, she won't miss me. And Sister Damini, she will be with her. She loves Gungun a lot. She will be a good mother. Lord Krishna, I want you to do something for me. With time, help everyone to get over me. Keep everyone happy.
And what about you, Radha? Will you forget everyone over here? Will you be able to stay happy?
And my happiness? I'll be happy to see Mohan and Gungun happy. Well, my life ends now only. As long as Mohan and Gungun are happy, I will stay alive. I'll manage to live.
I never thought I would also get used to someone's presence. You have given us a lot, Radha. And today, you are taking away a lot too.
How could I be so ignorant all these years? How could I not see Damini's real side? How could I go wrong? I made a huge mistake. What do I do? What do I do, Lord Krishna? The price of my mistake will be paid by Radha, Mohan, and Gungun, all three of them. Radha? What is Radha's fault in this? That poor girl came here and changed my son Mohan's life for good. And if Damini does not marry Mohan, she will kill herself. And despite knowing everything, I won't be able to save Mohan. Oh Lord Krishna, my son has been accused of a murder in the past and I can't do this to him again. I can't do it. Oh my gosh. What dilemma is this? Despite knowing the truth, I cannot support it. I cannot do anything. What do I do? What do I do?
It's time for me to leave, Lord Krishna. I should leave now. Besides, I have done everything what I came here for. I made Mohan believe in you. I brought back his happiness. And I also did what I never thought of. I wanted to give him happiness, but I gave him my heart. Mohan, I really love you a lot. Lord Krishna, this family has given me a lot, so please take care of all of them, okay? And my Mohan. Mohan, help Mohan become calmer. Don't let Gungun face any problem. Take great care of everyone. I will leave now.
Mom, can you see? Gungun is crying her eyes out. And Mohan too doesn't look happy. Radha, leaving this house is making everyone sad. And I am sad too. Mom, can we do this? Let's go to Radha's aunt's place. And let Radha stay here.
No, Rameshwar. Radha will go with us.
But Mom...
I said it. And that's final.
What's the matter, Mom? Is everything all right? Why am I getting a feeling that Radha is suffering a lot? I hope she's fine, Mom.
Radha is fine. She is brave. But right now, it is important for Radha to go home with us.
I'm sorry as I brought it. Actually, I don't go out without this idol.
I could not unite with my Mohan, but at least I can unite you with your beloved. Come with me. I'll leave now. Aunt Kadambari, the temple from where Hriday brought this idol is on my way. Can I keep this idol back in that temple?
Go.
I'll take your leave. Dad, Grandma, let's leave.
Radha, Don't go. Please don't go. Mohan, do something. Grandma.
Yes, child. Radha will return soon.
Mohan, please stop Radha from leaving. Don't let her go. Do something, Mohan, please.
झूठा जगरैन बसेरा साचा दर्द मेरा मृग तृष्णा सा मोह पिया नाता मेरा तेरा नैना जो सांझ ख्वाब देखते थे नैना बिछड़ के आज रो दिए हैं यूं।
Radha is a part of this family.
जो मिल के रात जागते थे नैना शहर में पल के मीचते हैं यूं। जुदा हुए कदम जिन्होंने ली थी ये कसम मिलके चलेंगे हरदम अब बांटते हैं ये गम भीगे नैना जो खिड़कियों से झांकते थे नैना घुटन में बंद हो गए हैं।
How dare you touch my Radha? Now you will be done for. I, Mohan Trivedi, pledge in front of you and in the presence of Lord Krishna that Radha is my responsibility.
आज टूटते हैं यूं नैना
If God solves all your problems and fills your life with happiness, then you are God for me.
छाँव ढूंढते हैं यूं जुदा हुए कदम जिन्होंने ली थी ये कसम मिलके चलेंगे हरदम अब बांटते हैं ये गम भीगे नैना जो सांझ ख्वाब देखते थे नैना बिछड़ के आज रो दिए हैं।
Dad and Grandma, you stay here. I'll be back.
Okay, Radha.
This girl?
Radha will never come back. Why did you let her go, Mohan? Why?
She will come, Gungun. Of course she will come. I'm sure she will come, okay? Okay, stop crying now. You... This letter has come from Vrindavan. But Radha said her aunt lived in Barsana. Why did this? Oh no. Is Radha in danger? Is this another trick by Hriday?
You got your Lord Krishna, but I have to live without Mohan.
Greetings.
Greetings.
Hey, who are you?
Hey,
Let
hold
me
her
go.
hand, come on.
Dad,
Don't
Grandma.
leave, come on. Hold her hand. Both of you are with that girl, right?
What is it, Mohan?
Mom, I don't know where Radha, Granny and Uncle are. Their phone are unreachable.
But Mohan, why are you so worried about Radha? Her dad and grandma are with her.
I'm not only worried about Radha, but also about Granny and Uncle. Yes, Mom, yes. The letter has come from Vrindavan, not Barsana.
What?
That means the letter is fake, right? Now Granny, Radha or Uncle, none of them is answering my calls. I don't know where they are.
But why would anyone send a fake letter? Who would send it?
Mom, Hriday.
Nobody can save you today. You can run away from me, but you can't hide. It will be better I kill you right here.
Hey, let me go. Who are you? Hey, is anyone here? Grandma, Dad?
Shut up. What?
Don't come close to me. Shame on all of you. How can you do something so vile in a holy place like this temple?
You have done something vile. Do you not feel ashamed, girl?
Hriday?
He hasn't been caught yet, Mom.
Radha? Hriday is a bad man. He will harm Radha.
I shouldn't have mentioned Hriday in front of Gungun.
No, dear. We don't know that whether Hriday really did it or not. Okay? No, don't cry at all.
The three of them should not have been allowed to go. I'm feeling very scared.
Mohan, I told you already not to let Radha go. I told you, right? She wouldn't come back. Bring Radha back. Listen, if you can't bring her back, then I will never speak to you again.
No.
Grandma!
Gungun!
I shouldn't have let her go.
You stole a statue from the temple? And now you are scolding us?
I stole a statue? Why would I steal a statue?
Look at how she's feigning innocence.
Hey,
What have we done? Where are you taking
Come
us?
with us.
Stay there, don't move.
Dad? Grandma?
Hey, come on.
Radha.
Sit here. Sit here.
I'll neither sit there nor be quiet. First, let my dad and grandma go. Tell your men to leave them.
Back off.
Don't even come close to me and don't get close to them. I'm telling you that I didn't steal any statue. I am the daughter of the priest of Radha Mohan temple in Barsana. Why would I steal a statue?
Look, tell someone else such fake stories. That fraud also used to narrate such stories. He came into the temple with his widowed mom. He stayed here for some days. After that, he ran away with the statue of goddess Radha.
Hriday was posing as a priest in a temple. A golden statue had got stolen from there. Do you know where it was found? With your dear Hriday, whose heart is filled with truth and faith and holy goodness. It was found in his house.
Stop pretending in front of me, okay? We know you came to meet him that day. You too are with him. Yes.
I have never come to this temple before this.
That's a lie.
No, it's true.
Fear God at least.
This is my first time in this temple. Believe me, please.
She is right. She has never been here. She has not done anything. Please let her go.
Okay. So you are telling the truth? Okay. We will ask the head priest of the temple. Because he had seen you meeting that fraud here. We will soon find out what the truth is. This girl might not admit it, but this girl was here that day.
Girl? Which girl?
Whom are you calling?
To Hriday. What are you doing, Mom? I just want to find out if Hriday sent that letter to Radha.
Hey? Whether the letter is sent by him or by his father. But you will not get involved in this. Understand one thing, my dear. Hriday is fugitive at present. The police is looking for him. He is on the run. If they suspect that you're also involved with him in any way, then you will also be forced to hide. Then sitting in the jail, watch Radha Mohan wedding videos.
Hello, Lord Krishna. How are you? Do you remember when Radha's Gita got lost? She prayed to you standing on one leg. And you ensured that she got her Gita back. Today my Radha has gone missing. Until she comes back to me, I will stand on one leg and pray to you. I won't eat anything. I won't even drink water. Just like Radha did. Hail,
Lord Krishna.
hail,
Lord Krishna.
hail, Lord Krishna. Hail, Lord Krishna.
Gungun, what are you doing? You won't be able to do it. Please, Gungun, don't do this.
Hail, Lord Krishna.
Gungun,
Hail, Lord
Gun-
Krishna.
Gungun, what are you doing?
Hail, Lord Krishna.
Gungun, what are you doing? Please
Hail,
stop this.
Lord Krishna. Hail, Lord Krishna. Hail,
I
Lord
promised to bring
Krishna.
Radha back, Gungun.
Hail, Lord Krishna.
Gungun,
Hail, Lord Krishna.
Gungun, my child, you don't need to do all this.
Hail, Lord Krishna.
Radha will come back soon.
Hail, Lord Krishna.
I will
Hail,
bring Radha
Lord
back home.
Krishna.
Mr. Priest, please tell us, wasn't she the one who came to meet that fraud? No, my son. My son, she is not that girl.
I always believed that my daughter couldn't do something so vile. She is a reflection of the Almighty.
You all are troubling my innocent girl for no reason.
Priest? Who could it be? Which girl came to meet Hriday?
I don't know, dear. But yes, I have to say this. I have seen that girl many times. Anyway, whoever it was, she was helping the fraud and his mom at that time. And while they were staying here, she would come to meet him once in a while. If I happen to see her again, I will surely recognize her.
If they stayed here, they must have left something behind, right?
Lord Krishna never supports sinners. The fraud forgot his box while leaving this place.